the glory, and I will praise you forevermore for who you are. For you are the Lord who reigns forevermore. You are the one who sits in heaven. Come alive.
You sit enthroned upon the cherubims. You sit enthroned amidst the 24. You are great in Zion, which has become us, and it's a great privilege to testify of your mightiness. You are the Lord who reigns forevermore. You are the King who sits in heaven till eternity.
Might and majesty belongs to the one who reigns forevermore. There is no one to compare to your great virtues. There is no one to compare to you.
Despite you sit in heaven, your spirit is everywhere, ever incapacitated, guiding, teaching, directing, oh comforting your glory, no man will share.
Titi ayé, ìwọ nìkan lọ́ba o. Titi ayé, ìwọ dára jù.